probably chose ice cream because you like ice cream.
Out for an adventure! Hoo-yah! It's around 12:40 or 1 a.m. and we're here at Colesburgwood because we're craving for some things. So yeah.
Pusit adobo.
Yeah, 24 hours. So yeah, works for us. Okay, let's get inside. Durian. Oh, we didn't see any puset, so we just got white clams. I don't know where. Oh yeah, we're gonna get some of these. And yeah, let's do this. Fucking expensive, mate. So it's a bit of a fail because the posset is gone. It's like they all got it, and that guy's trying to go over the the island. Oh. Hey guys, so we just arrived home from Coles, and to give you the perspective, it's around 12:30 when we decided to go out of the house and try to get something to eat. Because the thing is, yeah, Laura was craving for adobong pusit, so we were looking for pusit or squid up there at Coles. Coles Bird is open 24 hours. My voice is getting weird. I haven't slept well the past few days. Well, yeah, so we were trying to look for that. The problem is everything was sold out. Like even the frozen ones were sold out. The fresh ones, they come in the morning, so it's all sold out. So we just got the peepees or the shells. Yeah, and I'm gonna try to cook it. Wish me luck. Just for backup also, you always buy these ones, pork rashers, and they're like a bacon cut. And the thing is, they're so thin. What I do is I marinate them on soy sauce and some salt and some vinegar, and I try to skewer them so they would end up just like barbecue back in the Philippines. Like, yeah, you just do it like the isaw or the tinai, like that. This is funny. If you're not a Filipino, you're not gonna understand me, especially if you're not Bisaya. But yep. So yeah, I use this, make it like a barbecue and skewer them, and they're good and they cook quick because they're so thin. Also, they're so fat, so should be good. Anyway, I'm gonna go upstairs and cook right now. I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know if I'm gonna film, but we'll see how it goes. Still early for today. Okay. So yeah, what I did was I cook it. It's not the best, but it should work. We had shells like BPs, and then after that I tried to put oil. Then I put a bit of vinegar, put a bit of soy sauce, and then I put a bit of salt. Also a bit of spring onions. Well, no, I prepared the spring onions and then I put in the shells. We try to cook it, and then once it's cooked, I put a bit of spring onions for freshness or for green feeling. It was fine. Yep, this is it. We finished the whole pack. The whole pack was like frozen. It's not fresh. Yeah, so it should work for now. And the thing is, yeah, it's funny because when you get hungry at night, you can cook a lot of things. You have a lot of things in our fridge. We don't have a lot of things in our fridge, and sometimes you would just want to go out and get something else. So yeah, that was the thing today. We just wanted to eat what I used to cook it when we were going outdoors. Those squids with yeah, what I told you earlier. I'm starting to blabber. I'm trying to stop. Yeah, so that's it for tonight, and I don't know. Just gonna go to bed, and tomorrow's gonna be another day. So I'm gonna cut the video up to here. And don't worry, sooner or later I'll have good content for you guys. But for now, it's just that. And you have a good night. See you tomorrow morning. I have an adventure to do. I might fly my drone again, my Avata. I don't know if I have time. But that's it. Bye. You see, in the Philippines, it's different. At night, when you're hungry, you go out to Tapsilog, buy Tapsilog. We have Tapsilog, no tapa or tocino upstairs, but it's different when you buy it outside. I don't know. I think so.